Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and now we're going to Woodlands Town Park East. I'm gonna tour you around the park, so come and join me. So guys, I'm here right now at the park and I'm gonna tour you around the park. So first time to be here also. First time ko lang din magpunta dito. So let's see and check it out. Samahan nyo na ako guys. Bye! Ayan, first time ko lang dito. So, samahan nyo akong maglakad-lakad for a while. Kasi malapit lang to sa bahay ng kapatid ko. So, let's see. And, kung ano meron dito. Ayan. Hiningal ako doon. Hiningal ako sa hagdanan. So, we're here at the top. Ayan. May mga bahay. So, parang, ano lang siya. Ayan. Park lang. Ganyan lang siya. Medyo mainit pa. Kaya, ayan. Malapit lang dito sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Nandito tayo. Ayan. Overlooking siya. May mga bahay sa baba. Ayan. Parang maliit lang siya na park. So, ganito lang. May maliliit lang siya na shades. Ayan. So, tingnan pa natin kung ano meron guys. Ayan. So, meron dito pwedeng mag-exercise. Ayan. Ayan. Para to sa mga matatanda. Yan. Pwede may exercise. Yan. Can you call him?
Leave it up.
Yan. Guys, vlogger.
But I must have served as a chill. I don't know if I love you. I don't know if I hate you. Baby, it's time to get on my way, get on my lap. I'm so sick of you just playing games. I'm pretty sure I hate you. I'm pretty sure I love you. After all of this commotion and the pressure that you did, cut my body into pieces and just throw me up a bridge. I'm thinking better say that I'm going insane. More broken devotee, why won't you go away? You say you hate me but you stay and be my life. Why do you want to bring my love and love me at the same time? Stupid bitch, you can't put my love and lose my fucking mind. What did I do to deserve this? You just give me a hard time. Take me over and tell me that you will be my homie. How could you ever hurt me? I've never been so lonely. Can't take you back on the love. Think that it's time to go, go. You love me all on my phone. Don't worry me, you broke my heart, but I must have served as a chill. I don't know if I love you. I don't know if I hate you. Baby, it's time to get on my way, get on my lap. I'm so sick of you just playing games. I'm pretty sure I hate you. I'm pretty sure I love you. You gon' make me take my passion, putting it aside. You was the lady I love you to live my life. You was so pretty that I didn't put up the fight. You just a pretty, I just don't know why, no lie. Don't worry me, you broke my heart, but I must have served as a chill. I don't know if I love you. I don't know if pretty sure I love you.
요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니? 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여. 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아. 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형. 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어. 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing. 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니? 후회할까봐 아파할까봐 망설이는 걸. 너의 현재 진행형. 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어. 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing.
Ayan guys, so I think that's all. Naikot na siya. So ayan, masarap tumambay dito. Sobrang fresh lang siya. Ayan. Fresh. Kasi dito is malit lang na park. And sa likod lang doon ng bahay ng kapatid ko. While I'm visiting them, I'm visiting my nephews. Ayan. So, sabi ko puntahan na namin tong park na to. Para makita natin. Mapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, enjoy guys. Bye! And please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para laging updated sa mga videos ko. Okay, bye everyone!
I'm so sick of you just playing games. I'm pretty sure I hate you. I'm pretty sure I love you. After all of this commotion and the bullshit that you did, cut my body into pieces and just throw me up a bridge. I think you better say that I'm going insane. More broken devil too. Why won't you go away?
So, ayan, na guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Same time, the bitch again, but my lose my fucking mind. What did I do?